Come test drive this 2009 Lexus IS 350. This four-door, five-passenger sedan still has fewer than 60,000 miles. A 3.5-liter V6 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, a built-in garage door transmitter, an automatic dimming rear-view mirror, power door mirrors and heated door mirrors, and power seats. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Lexus also prioritized safety and security with features such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Brake Assist technology provides extra pressure when applying the brakes. A Carfax history report provides you peace of mind by detailing information related to past owners and service records. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.